Let's take a deep dive look into Microsoft Word documents, starting with how to create one. Go to office.com and click on the Create button on the left column. Then select Documents to start a new Word document, or you can simply go directly into office.com/create and click Document to open a new Word document. The interface is similar for Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint with the ribbon at the top. The very first menu item being the File menu item. Clicking on it, you would find similar options regardless of Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. You can start a new document, open, share, create a copy, export, print, check out the version history, or the information about the document. You can also go to the next menu item, which is Home. It has clipboard, fonts, paragraphs, and other groups of icons that are frequently used. The Insert menu, where you can insert pages, text, pictures, and more. And the Layout menu is also common, where you can modify the margins, orientation, the size of your margins, the pages and the columns, and so on. The rest of the interface, like I said, is the same. You can always check if you're viewing or editing the page. You can zoom in and out as well. You can use the scroll bar to increase, reduce the zoom, or just feed it to the entire width, or to view multiple pages. To navigate, you can also check out the outline to navigate directly, or find or replace particular elements or items. You can alternatively open a template if you don't want to start from scratch. The same way, you can go to the Word document and open templates. There are many templates, and you can download even more from your favorite search engine. We are going to preview a handful of the templates. As you can see, the templates do all have a title and a little bit of a description, as well as a screenshot of what the document looks like. Some of the templates you would find include resumes, educational templates for students and reports, daily tasks that you use, letters, be it business, personal, with different styles. We are going to start by creating a document from a meeting notes template. Once created, you can modify or rename the document at the top left. Right now, it should say document 2 because we had document 1 created earlier. Double clicking or simply clicking on the box brings up the cursor, and you can rename to whatever name you prefer. Microsoft automatically saves that document in your documents folder within OneDrive. Once that is saved, it's available for you to access on whatever device that uses or is connected to the internet. Let us now browse through the Word document. Once you open the Word document, you can click on the top left to navigate using the outline of the document based on the headings that have been assigned. You can also go to the layout and check out the ribbon to display the different types of ribbon layouts. The ribbon can be collapsed. It could also be changed to have a single line, or set up to always be visible at the top. The classic layout is very popular and normal for most people to use. You can always navigate back to the home page by clicking on the Home button and identify your Word documents by going directly to the Word button in the left column of the home page. Also, you can navigate directly to Microsoft Word by typing in the full URL, which should take you to your Word documents on Microsoft 365. To navigate through the documents, you could simply scroll manually using your mouse or the appropriate keys on your keyboard or a touchscreen. Alternatively, going through the outline, you can scroll based on the bookmarks or the headings that you have assigned on your page. Note in the style the changes that show up when you select the correct topic header. Now let's take a closer look at the menu items, starting with the Help menu, which is always consistent across all the apps, and the View menu, which you can use to zoom in or out using a particular size. You can type in percentage or use the plus or minus button at the bottom. Better yet, you can fit it to the entire width or to show the pages either continuously or separated. Also, back on the home menu, you can make edits to the document by copying and pasting. Clicking once puts the cursor at the location of your mouse. Clicking twice selects the word. Clicking 3 times selects the entire sentence or paragraph. You do have a menu that hovers right next to the line selected to help you with edits on the fly. You can also insert hyperlinks, pictures, tables, headers or footers, and a lot more. The layout menu helps you to adjust the page margins or change the page orientation from portrait to landscape, and also the size of your margins. You can also change the page color if you have enough ink to print it, or if it's for visual purposes. References could be inserted either by using a table of contents, or citations from another document could also be inserted. You can review the table, or rather the document, making sure the spelling, grammar are okay, and also check out if you're within limits of the paragraphs, word counts, and so on. That can also be seen at the bottom left of the document. Finally, you can also take a look at the view and the review. For the view, you can change the mode to a dark mode or the bright mode depending on your preference. Microsoft 365 applications, that is Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and the rest, are also available to be downloaded from the marketplace for mobile devices and not necessarily used on the browser. Simply search and download the correct application you need.